Are you looking to check out some open houses this weekend? Here are my top 5 tips to make the most of your open house visits. Number 1, please practice good etiquette. This is somebody else's home, so leave the kids and pets at home if possible. Number 2, ask questions. Ask about the home's history, the neighborhood, upgrades, and the selling points. And number 3, ask the agent their relationship to the seller. If they're the listing agent or working for the seller, avoid disclosing any personal financial information and hide your excitement if you really love the home. Disclosing too much information may work against you if you decide to put in an offer. Number 4, take photos and notes about each property you visit so you can compare later. I find that when clients are visiting more than 3 or 4 houses, they often start to confuse them. And number 5, and most importantly, have fun exploring different homes and neighborhoods. You never know where you might find your perfect home. If you're looking for a complete list of upcoming open houses this weekend, I've got you covered. Head over to coloradohomesbymike.com and look under my Search Homes tab to find my open houses page. I update it daily so you'll always have the latest listings. However, most open houses get listed on Thursday and Friday. So if it's slim pickings on Monday or Tuesday, just wait a couple more days. If the home you want to see isn't holding an open house or you can't make it to one this weekend, give me a call or a text. I'd be more than happy to schedule a private tour for you.